Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. The hand miter saw is designed for precision wood cutting, ease of use, easy angle adjustment and comfortable grip, secure material, clamps hold work in place and work stop allows for quick, repetitive cuts, long-lasting sharpness, induction hardened teeth. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Stainless steel miter detent plate of the 12-inch miter saw blade comes with 10 positive stops. The miter saw has a precise miter system and machined base fence support. Precise miter system and machined base fence support. Cam lock miter handle with detent override. Delivers quick and accurate miter angles for DeWalt miter saw. Tall sliding fences support 6-3/4 inch base vertically. Bevels 0 degree 48 degree left and right. 2-inch x 14-inch dimensional lumber cross cut capacity at 90 degree and 2-inch x 10-inch dimensional lumber at 45 degree. Dual horizontal steel rails with innovative clamping mechanism and linear ball bearings for accuracy and durability. Show more. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Stainless steel miter detent plate of 12-inch miter saw blade comes with 14 positive stops. The miter saw features the precise miter system and machined base fence support. Tall sliding fence of DeWalt miter saw supports 5-1/2 inch base vertically. Bevels 0 degree 48 degree to the left and 0 degree 3 degree to the right. Tool height 15 inch. 2-inch x 8-inch dimensional lumber cross cut capacity at 90 degree and 2-inch x 6-inch dimensional lumber at 45 degree. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Motor 15-amp motor delivers high power for the toughest of cuts, generating a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM. Lightweight, only 24.2 pounds. To facilitate maneuverability and portability. Miter angle range 0 to 52 degrees. To the right and left for increased flexibility. Bevel range 0 to 45 degrees. To the left with adjustable bevel stops for precision cuts. Large table offers better material support with vice clamping system to secure workpiece. Thumb actuated positive stops for quick miter adjustments. Horizontal handle for a secure hold. Show more.